Hi, we researched a large variety of products based on their overall performance, value for money, and reviews from thousands of consumers that have purchased them. Through research and side-by-side comparisons, we believe that the following products are indeed the best on the market today. If you choose from these models, you can be sure that you are buying a great product. Make sure to check the products links below in the description. Let's see which are the best products this year.
Buck Knives is a family business. We want to make sure everything we make, it's exactly what people want.
This is a family legacy. It really is a giving back, so to speak.
My grandfather started Buck Knives, and so it's definitely a family business. He was about 15, and then later on he got married, and he was pastoring a church in Mountain Home, Idaho. And when the Hawaii got bombed, there was a call that went out for the servicemen to get some knives and stuff. And so he thought, well, I could do that. So in the basement of that church, he made 2,000 knives out of old files. He got the handle material from the canopies of the warplanes that they had in the scrap out there, and they were at the air base right next door. And so he used those for the handles, and that's how it got started.
The foundation of manufacturing is people and its processes and its attention to detail. We talked a little bit about a family company. Families care. That attention to detail is truly what happens when nobody's looking. And that attention to detail is what you'll notice when you're out in the middle of nowhere and you got to depend on a tool to get you out of there. So from heat treat to the people actually manufacturing, to assembly, to the fabrication of parts, all of those elements combined, we just pay attention. We just pay attention. So making sure that this company continues to function at the level of an American icon. It's more than just products. It's more than just messages. It is a heartfelt desire to inspire confidence in people so that if they're out on an adventure, if they're in the field, in everyday life, they've got a trusted companion that they can depend on. Everywhere we go, we hear stories from customers about how this knife saved their life, or how I went through the war or came back home, or whatever adventure they got through, this knife has become part of them. It's an extension of them. It's very personal. And so if you're going to build something that's going to connect with somebody so much, it better be darn good. That's the bottom line of what Buck Knives is all about.